You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame, oh some things never change.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try some of my wigs. I've actually introduced these styles to you before. The only difference is the color, and the reason why I decided to try these wigs is because the colors are just beautiful. I really love them. My clients are the ones who suggested the colors for me, so before I send them I wanted to just try them and share with you guys. So if you find this video entertaining, or if you learn something from this video, or if you enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or these ones, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. So you can sew combs on these wigs, but then I realized most of my clients just prefer them without combs. So I always sew an elastic band, and then I add this. I use this adjustable strap to make it more secure.